Welcome everyone, and let's make this all glitter patriotic shirt. Click on New Project, Upload, Upload Image, and then I like to drag and drop my SVG file. And click Upload. Click the image you just uploaded and then Add to Canvas. The files will come in grouped together, so you want to simply click on Ungroup. Now the two bees look the same, but they're actually designed differently. As you can see in the layers panel, this bee is designed in case you want to layer all of the layers on top of each other. Since we're using Glitter HTV today, we will simply just turn this layer off. So for this project, we're going to be using only Glitter HTV, which means we can't layer our Glitter HTV on top of another Glitter HTV. So that's why we want to use this file here, because I've designed this bee. As you can see from the layers panel, each piece is just like a puzzle. It all fits together without overlapping. So if I was to just start grabbing these pieces apart, you can see that they're all separate from each other, which means we're not actually layering on top, but we're just fitting it all together like a puzzle. So if I hit the back button, it just puts everything back together where it goes. So this is why you want to use this bee when using Glitter HTV. Now here you'll want to select all of your elements and size your project. I made mine 9.5 inches for a large size shirt. So now I need to change that gray color to a white color since I'll be using a gray t-shirt. So you'll see me selecting the white items from the layers panel. So first I'm going to select the body of the bee, hold down my shift key and then find the word white and then click that. Then all I have to do is go to the operation and change from gray to white. Then be sure to attach so that those two colors will cut on the same mat, and then proceed with the rest of the colors with the same process. So selecting the red body, the word red by holding the shift key, and then select attach, and then continue with the other two colors of blue. So once all your light colors are attached, then you would click on Make It. Since we're using heat transfer vinyl, we want to be sure that we mirror each color vinyl mat. So simply click on the mirror button for each color mat and then go back to the first mat and then click on Continue. Click on Browse All Materials. Click on the All Categories and change it to Iron On, and then look for Glitter HTV. I marked it as a favorite, but you can also just select Done. When cutting Glitter HTV, I like to change my pressure setting from default to More. I also like to select the box where it says Remember Material Settings. Now all we need is to load our fine point blade and we're ready to cut. For glitter heat transfer vinyl, you can use your green standard mat. Today I'm using my purple mat because my green mat doesn't have much sticky left on it. I like to use my brayer to make sure that it's firmly down in place, and then you simply just load and press the go button and allow it to cut. I always turn my mat over to carefully pull my mat away from my material. Sharing a bit of the weeding process, and in a moment, I'll be sure to share a couple really good weeding tips for glitter heat transfer vinyl. Of course, you always want to ensure a good cut, but once you have your good cut, you want to make sure that you can see what you're doing. And sometimes that's when the Cricut Bright Pad comes in handy. Sometimes you might need some magnifying glasses. These little tips will really help you in your weeding process. I set my heat press to 330 degrees and I did a 5-second preheat. Also, each different color layer you see me applying was only done at 5 seconds each. Then I did a warm peel and removed the top carrier sheet. So I did that for each different color, and on the final color, I did the entire press for 30 seconds. So, and then after that, I turned the t-shirt over and I pressed for another 15 seconds. It's these little steps that help with your layered HTV projects, and I hope these tips really help you. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions below. And here is the completed red, white, and Be Grateful Glitter HTV shirt. I hope you love it as much as I do. Take care and remember to create with love.